Hi, and welcome to this fourth episode of our all-time favorite topic, Android development. Okay, let's get started and let's make coding great once again. Step 2. Add the code necessary to support navigation. And so this will help the user to navigate from their current location to the given castle location. Alright, let's now add navigation to our map in such a way that if the user clicks on any of these castles, Google Maps application will fire up showing them how to navigate from their current location to the selected castle or fort. Okay, so let's do that. Right, so we are in the detail class. Let's go to the XML layout file. Okay, and in here let's add another floating action button. By the way, I've changed the name of this from BTN show on Google Maps into Fab show on Google Maps. This is because Fab is short for floating button action. Okay, so let's add another one in here. And this is now called Fab Navigate. As you can see, it is above the Fab show on Google Maps. And there are two problems with it. First one is this one. We don't have an icon for it right now. So as always, let's go to the drawable folder, right click, new vector asset, and in the clip art let's search for navigate and let's select this one for example. Okay to that, next, finish, and done. See, it's now there. Right, now let's fix the other problem, which is navigate. Now this one will be fixed using Alt and Enter. So let's have Alt and Enter. Let's create it in the detail activity, and here we are. Okay, so the code is pretty much similar to this one, so let's copy them all. Okay, so let's copy all of it and let's paste it in here. We'll fix it in just a second. Okay, and let's replace geo colon, this one, let's replace it with this phrase, google.navigation colon q equal to. So this will set the endpoint for a navigation. You know that in navigation you have two places, the from place and to the to place. This is the to, this is the destination. The source is the current location of the user. Okay, so how about the mode then? In here you could always add something like this, plus double quotation and mode equal to D, for example. D stands for driving, and this is the default one. So if you don't do any of this, default will be driving. If you want to have walking, for example, you'll have W. Okay, and if you would like to bicycle all the way to that, you can have B, for example. Anyway, we're going to delete this because we don't need it, because I want to have the driving mode. I want to drive to my destination. I don't want to walk or bicycle. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Okay, so as you can see, now this piece of code is exactly the same as this one. So why not have a comment of it? Okay, let's highlight this and let's right click, refactor, extract a method, okay, and let's give it a name. How about run Google Maps? Okay, and click enter to that, and Android Studio automatically finds another occurrence of it. So let's replace that again, and that's it. Okay, so as you can see, a new method being added for us, and now both of these methods, they only have 2 lines of code each. Brilliant. So that's it. Let's now test it. Let's run it on our real physical device. Let's make sure that we have internet and everything, and let's now run it. Okay, here we are. So let's first try Al-Jalali Fort. Okay, let's select it, and let's select the navigation button in here. And here we are. Google is now trying to find for us the best route from my current destination all the way to Al-Jalali Fort. So here we are. See, it does indeed find me the navigation route. Okay, it's 168 kilometers from my place right now. Okay, how about this? Let's try another one. Okay, let's go again to Bahla Fort. How's that? So let's click it again. Let's click the navigation button. And again, now it's trying to find me the best route from here to Bahla. And as you can see, there is the route. And finally, let's get out there and let's make coding great once again. Thank you and happy coding. صحوة لم تنم فعدل علينا يمينا أطعنا نموت ونفنى ويحيى
نموت ونفنى ويحيى العلم. نموت